Hello students, how are you? Yesterday we did the square identities. Today I am starting with the cube identities. First of all, I am writing few identities. See, whenever we are doing a plus b whole cube, it is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? Whenever we are doing a plus b whole cube, इसको एक और फॉर्म में भी हम लिख सकते हैं. It can be a cube plus 3ab ब्रैकेट a plus b, ये combined form है इसकी b cube. Similarly, when we are doing the questions of the sort a minus b whole cube, it will be equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So what is the difference between the two identities? दोनों identities के बीच में difference क्या है? When there is plus here, आपके पास ये सारी terms जो हैं वो है plus की. Got it? और then I have a minus here. Minus is here with the b. तो जहाँ जहाँ b की odd power आएगी, wherever we are getting the power of b as odd, तो वो term क्या हो जाएगी? Minus. Like in this term, it is a square b. Here power of b is 1. So what will you get? You will get a minus here. ab square, it will be positive. And then I have b cube. Power is odd. Power of b is odd. So we have minus here also. Got it? This is the way, this is a technique how we will learn this formula. So this formula is a plus b whole cube. This is a minus b whole cube. एक और I will be considering today a cube minus b cube, which is same as a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. See, next is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. So whenever, what is the way to learn this formula? A cube minus b cube है, तो it is a minus b. When there is minus here, then here it will be plus. When there is minus here, here it will be plus. Rest all is same. Similarly, when I am talking about a cube plus b cube, देखो a plus b. Here it is plus, तो here it is plus. और कहाँ डिफरेंस आएगा फॉर्मूले में? देखो जब भी whenever we have got the, हमेशा ध्यान रखना किसी भी फॉर्मूले के लिए, whenever we have even power of the variable, here it is even power. तो आप कहीं भी देखो, किसी भी क्वेश्चन में I have done, wherever there is even power, उधर तो कभी भी नेगेटिव साइन नहीं लग रहा. ठीक है? Similarly, when I am talking about a cube plus b cube, it is a plus b और फॉर्मूले में चेंज कहाँ आया? Where here it is plus, here it is plus and here it is minus. और इस केस में here it is minus, तो here it is minus only और change कहाँ आएगा? Plus ab, right? Change कहाँ आएगा? Plus ab. So today we are going to deal with the questions related to these four identities. So let us take up one question. This is question number 6. Let us take third part. I am talking about third part. What is the question? It is exercise 2.5. I am taking up question number 6, third part. The question is 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. 3 by 2x plus 1 whole cube. So out of these four identities, can you see it is of the sort a plus b whole cube. So what is my a here? Here my a is 3 by 2x. And what is b? b is equal to 1. Got it? Then again you will write, let us give the name to these identities. This is identity 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what is my a here? 3 by 2x. So what will I write here? Using identity 1. Identity 1. Why I am choosing identity 1? Because a plus b. It is plus here. So what will you get? It is 3 by 2x whole cube. A cube plus, what is it? A plus b whole cube. It is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. right? So what is a cube? It is 3 by 2x whole cube plus 3. What is a square? It is 3 by 2x whole square, and what is my b? It is 1. Similarly, 3ab square. You will write like this only, the way I am writing. 1 square plus b cube, that is 1. Right? Now, 3 by 2 whole cube. What is the, see, it is the rational number. So, you will take the cube of 3 and you will take the cube of 2 also. So, what is 3 cube? It is 27. What is 2 cube? It is 8. What is x cube? You will write it as x cube only. Right? Similarly, let this 3 be here because we haven't solved it. What is 3 square? It is 9. What is 2 square? It is 4. What is x square? It is x square only. So this dot means we are multiplying it. Again, now here we don't have any whole square or cube. You will directly solve it. It is 9 by 2x plus 1. So what is 3 into 9? 3 into 9 is 27. So I am writing here only. So this is your answer for this question. Got it? It is very simply application of the formula. See, these are the theorems. These are the formulas. So maybe you will be finding difficult in understanding the formula. But when you will come on this practical based questions, now you will directly put up the formula. Just you have to learn this. Got it? So this is a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So attendance code for today. The first letter of your attendance code is F. Today we have a 4-letter word. First letter of the word, 4-lettered word is F. So your code you will be getting in between the questions. It will be a 4-lettered word. The first letter is F. Now let us come to application of a cube minus b cube. Let us take again question number 6, exercise 2.5, fourth part. I am taking up the difficult parts for you people. The question is x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. X minus 2 by 3y whole cube. It is same as identity 2. You will write using 2. A minus b whole cube. It is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. What is my a here? A is x and b is 2 by 3y. Right? So what will you do? A minus b whole cube, it is a cube, that is x cube, minus in the formula. See, we have taken this negative sign in the formula. So that is why I have taken b positive. This is a common mistake students do. What they do, यहाँ से वो b negative उठा लेते हैं और फिर इसमें put up करते रहते हैं. You don't have to do like this. We have already used this negative sign in the formula itself. So we will take here b positive, right? So b minus 3a square. It is x square into b. What is b? 2 by 3y, right? Plus 3 into x. What is b square? 2 by 3y whole square minus 2 by 3y whole cube, right? Now how will you solve it? You will get x cube minus, see, this 3 and this 3 cancels off. You are left with 2 x square y. Always remember this thing, that we write the coefficient, then we write the terms of x, and then we write the terms of y. This is the standard form of writing the question. Now again, sorry, here I can't cancel 3 and 3. Why? Because it is square. So I will write it as 3x into 4 by 9y square. ये 4 by 9 कहाँ से आया? 2 square and 3 square. Similarly, when I am talking about 2 cube, it is 8. What is 3 cube? It is 27y cube. Right? So what will you write? Again solve it. What do you get? You will get x cube minus 2x square y plus this cancels off 4 by 3y square minus 8 by 27 y cube. This is your answer for this question. Got it? This is question number 6. fourth part that I have done, and this is the answer for this question. And the second word for the second letter for the your code is R. What is it? R. It is a four. Remember, it is a four-lettered word. Got it? So this was question number 6, fourth part, based on a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. So students, let us take the questions based on a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube only, but this time we are not expanding it, but we are going to factorize it. So I am taking up any random question from exercise 2.5, question number 8. Let us take a, let us say, first part. Question is 8a square plus b square plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Again, I am recalling this thing for with you people. When I said a plus b whole square or minus b whole square, it was a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is, in the expansion we had 3 terms. Similarly, when we were doing a plus c whole square, it was a square plus b square plus c square, 2ab, 2bc and 2ac. So in the expansion it was having 6 terms, and when we are expanding a plus b whole cube, it is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So how many terms? It is having 4 terms, right? It is having 4 terms. So again in this question, when we see this question, it is 8a cube, not b square. It is 8a cube plus b square, 12a square b, 6ab square. How many terms are there? 4. And out of these 4 terms, 2 terms are having cube. How many terms here? 4. Out of these 4, 2 terms are having cube and 2 are the square terms. So this is similar to a plus b whole cube. So let us make. Now, how will you identify whether the given question is of a plus b whole cube or a plus b whole square? First of all, a plus b whole square is having 3 terms. A plus b plus c whole square is having 6 terms and containing the square terms only. But a plus b whole cube, it contains 4 terms. Out of these 4, 2 terms are of cube. So let us make of that identity only. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So together they can be written as 2a whole cube. Got it? So let b cube be b cube only. Now let us try to make this 12a square b as 3a square b. 12a square b. 3 of the formula, the same way we have expanded a square, we have factorized a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is 3 in the formula, 2a whole square into b, right? Why 2a whole square? Because square term was a only. Similarly, when we are talking about 6ab square, it is 3 of the formula, 2a into b, right? So now my a is 2a and my b is small b. So what do you get? You will get 2a plus b whole cube. This is the answer. This is the factorization of 8a cube plus b cube and so on. So let us take another question of exercise 2.5, question number 8. I am taking the third part. The question is 27 minus 125a square minus 135a plus 225a square. So let us try to make it as, again I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. I have 4 terms. Out of 4 terms, I have 2 terms containing the cube set. So it is similar to a minus b whole cube. Why I am saying a minus b? Because I can see that 2 of the terms are negative also. 2 of the terms are negative also. Now, when I am writing 27, I can write it as 27 as 3 ka cube. When I am writing 125 is same as 5a whole cube. 135. Now the problem comes here. 135a or 225a square. Now negative sign says कि it is of the sort a square b और यहाँ positive का मतलब है it is ab square. हाउ आई कैन मेक आउट कि नेगेटिव से ए स्क्वायर भी बन रहा है, बिकॉज रिकॉल व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग द फॉर्मूला अभी 2 क्वेश्चंस पहले, तो आई टोल्ड यू पीपल कि दैट बी इज ऑड, अगर पावर ऑफ बी इज ऑड तो वो नेगेटिव रहेगा, अगर पावर ऑफ बी इज इवन तो वो पॉजिटिव रहेगा, ठीक है। सो इट इज -3 स्क्वायर 5a plus 3 into 3 5a. I have split up like this. Now what is my a here? My a is here 3, and what is my b? B is 5a. So this is same as 3 minus 5a whole cube. So this is your answer. This is a 2-step question only. Only you just have to identify the given terms. Now I am taking the 5th part, question number 8 itself. The question is 27p cube. I hope with this question the topic will be very clear to you. Minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. Again, let us see the question. Let us observe the question. It is having 4 terms. Out of 4 terms, we have 2 terms containing cube. It is p cube और 216 होता है किसका cube? It is cube of 6. ठीक है, तो what will you do? These are the 2 cube terms. और बीच में क्या you can see कि there are 2 negative signs. So what type of question it is? It is not of the a plus b whole cube. It is of the sort a minus b whole cube. So what will you do? 27. 27 is 3p whole cube. ठीक है. Now 1 upon 216. I told you this is 1 upon 6 whole cube. अब इसको कैसे करेंगे? 3 of the formula. अब this is p square. p square का मतलब a term is square. तो I can write it as 3p whole square. And what is my b? b is 1 upon 6. Right? Now similarly when I am writing 1 upon 4p. When I am writing 1 upon 4p. 1 upon 4p is same as positive है तो ये 3ab square होगा. Like when I told you people this, ये negative था तो it was same as minus 3a square b. Negative signs बता रहा है कि वो a square b term है. तो let us see, it is 1 upon 4p. तो 3 of the formula, a कितना है आपका 3p और what is b? b is 1 upon 6 whole square. Got it? तो when you will cancel off ना, इसको अब आप जब cancel करोगे तो you will get 1 upon 4 only. Right? So what is the answer for you people? It is 3p minus 1 upon 6 whole cube. This is the answer. Got it? So this was about a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Expansion we have done, and we have already we have done in these 2 questions. We have done factorization also. Now let us talk about the third identity, which is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Since we have to verify this identity in question number 9, so let us verify question number 9. First part I will be doing for you, and second part you will be doing. What is you have to do? You have to prove. To prove, second part I am doing. First part you will do on your own. To prove a cube minus b cube. Let us write x here because in the question it is x only. X minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. All of you must be knowing that whenever we have to verify anything, we have to take left hand side separately and right hand side separately. So in this question, x cube minus y cube, our left hand side is in the ultimate form, but here we have the scope of solving this. Let us take RHS. RHS is x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. You remember that you people have done in class 8 multiplication of a binomial with a trinomial. It is binomial and this is a trinomial. So let us solve it. X multiplied by x square plus xy plus y square, right? And this minus y multiplied with x square plus xy plus y square. So when it gets multiplied, what do you get? X into x square, it is x cube. X into xy, it is x square y, x into y square, it is xy square. Please check it out. Similarly, when I am talking about y into x square, what will you get? Yx square. तो in the previous question I told कि पहले हम x की कोफिशिएंट लिखते हैं, फिर हम x की टर्म्स लिखते हैं, फिर हम y की. So I will write it as x square y. This is the standard form. Similarly, when I am multiplying this minus y with xy, what will I get? This y will get added, the power of this y will get added with the power of y. So what you get? Minus xy square, right? And here you will get minus y cube. Okay? This is the multiplication of a binomial with a trinomial. Now you have to cancel off or add up the like terms. Let us talk about x square y, and here it is also minus x square y. So it gets cancelled off. Similarly, xy square and minus xy square, they are of the same sort, they are the like terms and opposite signs, so they get cancelled off. So what is left with you? It is x cube minus y cube, and this is what you had to do it. So this is equal to LHS. So our question is proved. It was very simple. For some of you, algebra seems to be difficult, but otherwise it is very simple, unless or until you do the practice questions. Alright, now let us take question number 10. First part. It is 27x cube plus 125 z cube. Before doing this question, I am giving you the third letter of my code, which is S. What is it? S. So first letter of the code was F, second R, third S. Right? So now 27x cube plus 125 z cube. Again, what I told you on the first day, when I have to factorize I have to expand a plus b whole square. What I had, it is a square plus ab plus b square, and if it is minus here, it will be minus here. That what I wanted to say, whenever we had to factorize anything, we have to keep in mind कि how many terms it is having. So it was having 3 terms. और जब हमने किया a plus b plus c whole square, you remember it was a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc and 2ac. How many terms? 6. How many terms? 3. So that was because you have various formulas in the algebraic identities. So that is the way to recognize कि which identity is to be used. Similarly, in this question I have a cube plus b cube. Why? It is unlike a square minus b square. A square minus b square में पहले तो square होता था और बीच में of course it is a binomial. It is having 2 terms. But इसमें क्या था? 2 terms के between क्या था? एक minus का sign था. Here we of course we have 2 terms, but what is the difference? There is a plus sign in between. What is the second difference? It is x cube. It is z cube. So this is same as, let us make this coefficient, these coefficient also in the terms of cube. So 27 can be written as 3x whole cube, because 3 cube is equal to 27 and 5 cube is equal to 125. So this becomes 3x का whole cube or this becomes 5z का whole cube. So now this is same as identity 4. It is, what is identity? A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So my 3x cube, 3x whole cube, I should not speak 3x cube, I should speak 3x whole cube plus 5z whole cube will become, my a is 3x, my b is 5z. So your answer is 3x plus 5z, right? Here, make a rectangular bracket first. Why? Because it was a square. So what is a square? It is 3x का whole square. मतलब 3 का भी square करना है, 3 का भी square करना है हमें और x का भी square करना है, right? So what will you get? 3x whole square minus 3x into 5z plus 5z whole square. Got it? So what do you get? Ultimately आपका आंसर क्या बनेगा? It will be 3x plus 5z. Come to the round bracket because you are going to solve the inside brackets. 3 square is 9, x square is x square, minus 15xz plus 25z square. This is your answer. Got it? This was question number 10, first part. Question number 10, second part, you will be doing it on your own.